Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set automatic messages on TikTok. It's really easy. You have to just go to your TikTok here, and by the way, you can only do this but if you have a business account. So here on the top right, click on the three horizontal lines, go to the setting and privacy. If you don't have a business account, let me show you how to convert it. You have to go to the account here. Now click on switch to business account. Now it will just take a few seconds to convert your account in business, and there will be neither any major change. There will be really very small change, right? So you have to just wait here. Now click on next, again click on next, just keep clicking on the next. Select the niche you want your account to be. For example, my account is something in, let me show you, it's in the phone category, right? So here let me select the option. So here it is. I'm not able to find, so I will just go and tap on others. You can select any one of them. Now click on, and I will just skip this. Again I will skip this. You can add your bio if you want. Now here visit business suite. So basically it will ask you to register now. It's fine if you don't want to register it. Now click on visit business suite here. Now here you will get this option of message center. Now tap on it. Once you tap on it, here you will get this option of welcome message and something. So welcome message is auto message. So if somebody text you, or basically here it says allow potential customer to contact you. Now here you can see change setting and make sure it is available. In your case, if it is not, then you have to just go back here. Now click on welcome message. Make sure you just turn this on. Now whenever text, this is my automatic message on TikTok. So if you want to edit it, you can change it. It's really easy. As well as there is a keyword reply. So if somebody texts you about something, you can just create a new keyword. So if it is messages regarding that keyword, automatically your TikTok account will send an automatic message. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.